In this video, I will show you how to install XAPK files on your Android device. First, go to the XAPK file located in your phone. It is usually in your My Files app. If you click on the XAPK file, it usually won't have this extract option if you have an older Android model. To be able to extract this, go to Google Play App Store. Then, on the search bar, type ZArchiver. Go ahead and install this app. Open the app once it is done. Select OK. You will want to allow ZArchiver to be able to manage all files. Allowing notifications is optional. Now go back to your My Files folder to your XAPK file. Now tap on it, and you should see ZArchiver in the list. Select this option, and you will be able to install or extract this file to another folder. Extract the file and wait for the process to finish. It will be extracted in the Downloads folder in ZArchiver under Storage/Emulated folder. You can now go ahead and directly install the APK file if you wish. That is it.